So today is May 2nd, 2022, and there's news breaking today about Roe versus Wade being overturned. So here's all the recent news, and Daily Mail says Supreme Court votes to end Roe versus Wade in draft opinion by Justice Samuel Alito. The opinion draft was written by Justice Samuel Alito, one of six justices appointed by Republican presidents on the nine-member court. So, what is Roe versus Wade? Roe versus Wade was a landmark decision of the U.S. Supreme Court in which the court ruled that the Constitution of the United States protects a pregnant woman's liberty to choose to have an abortion without excessive government restriction. The decision uh, struck down many U.S. federal and state abortion laws. Roe fueled an ongoing abortion debate in the United States about whether or to what extent abortion should be legal, who should decide the legality of abortion, and what the role of moral and religious views in the political sphere should be. It also shaped debate concerning which methods the Supreme Court should use in constitutional adjudication. The decision involved the case of Norma McCorvey, known by the legal pseudonym Jane Roe, who in 1969 became pregnant with her third child. McCorvey wanted an abortion but lived in Texas, where abortion was legal except when necessary to save the mother's life. Her attorneys, Sarah Weddington and Linda Coffey, filed a lawsuit on her behalf in U.S. federal court against her local district attorney, Henry Wade, alleging that Texas's abortion laws were unconstitutional. A three-judge panel of the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Texas heard the case and ruled in her favor. Texas then appealed directly to the U.S. Supreme Court. Uh, so Roe versus Wade was protected for a long time by Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who was a Supreme Court justice, and she was a longtime defender of abortion and Roe versus Wade. She died recently at 87 in 2020, and this kind of left Roe versus Wade to be vulnerable in the Supreme Court again. So in the U.S., there's support and opposition. There's support among liberals who say they're pro choice. Their reasons for supporting Roe versus Wade or for safe access for healthcare, lower crime rates, and stem cell research. Conservatives uh, typically call themselves pro life, and they typically object to abortion on religious grounds, and they also object because of loss of population. You can see the favor of Roe versus Wade by public support has kind of stayed about the same, above 50%. Um, and opposition to Roe versus Wade has kind of been up and down, but more recently it's been on a decline. So there's always been more than 50% supporting, and uh, you know, down to about 30% now opposing. Um, so in 2017, the CDC had a surveillance estimate of 612,000 abortions in the U.S. So this is, like over 500,000 abortions in the U.S. And if you consider that the U.S. population is somewhere around like 350 million, um, every 2 years you're basically, taking away more than a million in growth of the U.S. population just from abortion. And this number actually used to be a lot higher. It used to be in like the 1970s, it was closer to like a million or more every year. And so this number in 2017 was about 612,000. And then there's other estimates from other institutes, but I think that's not really disputed on that. Some other statistics about abortion. 60% of abortions are obtained by women in their 20s. 49% of abortion patients live below the federal poverty level. 59% of abortions are obtained by women with children. So it's not like a first mother. 59% or 60% is obtained by women that already have families or already have children. Of U.S. abortion patients, 75% are poor or low income. 62% are religiously affiliated. 59% already have a child, which I said there. 60% are in their 20s. Only 12% are teens, of which 4% are minors. And the race of U.S. abortion patients, 39% are white, 28% are black, 25% are Hispanic, 6% are Asian Pacific Islander, and 3% are other. So, anyway, that's the news that's coming out today. I hope this information was interesting and relevant. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll make more content like this. Thanks.